welcome to the cooking channel. We're making banana fries. First we need a banana. Then we cut it.
Alright, then we cut it tajadas bananas, right?
Yeah, and it has to look like this.
Show him. Show to the just one how they have to cut it.
You have to look like that.
That's right. So parents have to help to cook.
Channel, welcome to another episode. So now we're gonna cut another banana. And remember, it always has to look like this or bigger, like this one.
And you can cut like two different, like some people do it like half and then cut it like this, but we're really careful because you can cut. There's two different ways to how to do it.
Or you could do it like that. Let me see if your hands are good. Yeah, look, it's good. But it might get a little messy.
Yeah. But which one is best for you? The first one or the second one?
First.
The first one? Alright.
That looks better. It looks more like you'll eat it. Hi everyone. Welcome to round 3. So now we're going to cook it.
So
We grab the bananas. But you should have this because it's more easy.
there you go. And so we put oil.
And then I think we put the banana in there.
Yeah, you gotta put the bananas in there, but not right now. You have to make, like, you have to wait the oil get
Hot.
hot.
And boiling. Okay, it might take a while. We just
And then when, like, if you are kids want to do this, so you have to ask to your dad or your mom help because this is danger.
Yeah.
You can get burned
Or you could get cut.
or you can get cut. That's right. So that's why Wesley is doing with me, because I take care about everything. So he been waiting for the oil. When the oil is hot, he put the bananas tajadas inside. So when you do it, you put it slowly, okay?
Yeah. When you hear it sound like, that means you have to put it in.
That's right.
with this though, not with your hand, because you can get burned. If you and if you don't have one, you could buy one. Or if you're a kid, you could ask your parents if you have one.
That's right. Okay, let's try one. Put one inside. Very carefully, okay?
See?
Like this, right? Get it for that little size and then put it right there. You don't have to be scared.
Yeah.
You see? Wait, like for one size, you gotta wait like around 1 minute, then you turn around.
But what happens if the oil gets this one? Doesn't matter?
No.
Okay. No, still. Okay. You have to. You're gonna wait for 1 minute.
Slow. Can help you.
Yeah. You see? It's like a little brown. That's good. Just because it looks brown doesn't mean it's burned. Okay. So we just have to wait until we add more. I'm just watching. Okay, don't cut it. No.
Yes.
Yeah. Do it like how my dad's doing it. Because if you get it wet, it will burn you. Look. That's how you should look. And it has to look like how my dad's doing it right now. Oh. So, this is another video of our cooking channel. And if you haven't watched our other videos, you should watch them. Tell them your channel. Daddy.
It's building your dream.
What?
The channel is called Building Your Dream.
You have 2 channels? Oh. Okay. And and I need to. And if you want to see my, and I also have a sister. Oh, she's yelling right now. Look at this. Okay, everybody. Another episode of what is it called? What is it called?
Building your dreams.
Building your dreams. The cooking videos. Okay, so we're gonna make we're also making sauce for this. So you're gonna okay. In a minute, we're going to look and look. He's cooking them. You see how those bubbles are around it? That means it's cooking good. Another videos of Build Your Dreams cooking channel. Now my dad's making eggs. So, welcome to another episode of Build Your Dreams cooking channel. So first you need ketchup to make the sauce. Then you need mayo.
Now mix it.
Okay, and do it like this. You see how it's like pinkish, reddish stuff? That's how it should look. And it kind of tastes like Chick-fil-A sauce. So if you like Chick-fil-A sauce, you should make this with that.
Try it.
Yeah, banana fries.
Try it.
Fry?
Try the sauce.
Fry?
Try it.
Oh. Yeah. It should taste like Chick-fil-A sauce. Ketchup-y Chick-fil-A sauce. Welcome to another episode of Build Your Dreams cooking channel. So now you have to put the eggs and the fried banana on the plate. You see? Look, that looks like a good meal. And then you put the sauce on there, or you could put the sauce on the banana, or you could just dip it in the bowl.